Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. Something from Artisan Cutlery. I was not expecting yet another package so soon, so I have absolutely no idea what's in this box or package. Probably multiple knives. Whatever it is, I will link it in the description so that you guys can check it out if you want to. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay. Right here. Most tactical point of advantage. So, okay, we got a mix of stuff here. Bless it. There we go. Sometimes it just takes an extra slice. We got a CJRB and an Artisan. Let's do the CJRB first. I think that's probably the way to go. I mean, I'm just trying to go like least to most premium, but CJRB then again periodically releases premium knives. So, what we have in this first pouch is a knife. This, was that a Ferrum Forge logo? It was. A CJRB and Ferrum Forge collab button lock. I think people will enjoy this. Yes, it's very Ferrum Forgey. They have the very Ferrum Forge, or as I like to call it, the reverse Rick Hinderer flipper tab, because it is... I mean, here, hold on. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. I'm not saying loosely, I'm saying it is quite literally an upside down Hinderer flipper tab. Here we go, let's put it this way. That's fine, right? I mean, it works. It's a lot more comfortable. You just take the Hinderer flipper tab and flip it upside down. They've been doing that for a long time. But yeah, this works. Now, as is the case with all button locks, they must undergo rigorous testing on this channel. So we're going to need to test that. I actually gave that some pretty good wax. CJRB has always done a great job with button locks, and while I'm sure here or there's reports of failures, but I really don't have that issue. I have had issues with some button locks here lately, so really wanting to test them all. We have AR RPM 9. We got Peel Ply Texture G10 that is shadow boxed by the polished liners underneath. We have no internal milling. That's fine. Nice blade profile. I mean, you know, Ferrum Forge, this is very Ferrum Forgey. Knowing CJRB, they have a very fair price tag on that, so expect that to be well within that budget territory. I don't know why I'm over enunciating everything. What do we have here? Let's find out. Artisan Cutlery. We have, well, I've seen this knife before. Oh wait, is it a smaller one? Yeah, I think it is. This is the, gosh darn it, it's going to be linked down in the description. But here's the nice thing. We have their sand wash or sand polish, meaning we have the super duper shiny S90V blade and frag texturing. So this is nice because the other one, which for some reason the name is escaping me, the other one is much bigger. Now the bigger one is still available. You can absolutely still pick it up. In fact, I mean, when I link this, I'll link all of the different versions that are available. The best thing about these types of knives is that Artisan Cutlery is bringing their 2023 A game in a sub $200 package. And by 2023 A game, I mean titanium backspacer, titanium pocket clip, S90V super high satin finish, which is much better than just the plain Jane satin finish, right? For sub $200, that's very impressive and very competitive. So if you like the big one, great. If you want one that's a little bit smaller, more EDC, well, or more compact. I don't want to say more EDC friendly because that's very subjective and it depends on the type of person you are and the type of knives you like to carry. Then this might be a good choice. I am making a big assumption on the price because I haven't actually seen it yet, but given their track record, I would be shocked to find out that this is over $200. So really Artisan Cutlery is just bringing us a whole bunch of really awesome stuff right before the end of the year. Yeah, these look nice. I think we should probably do some size comparisons real quick, just for people who want to see how big it is compared to certain knives. Okay, the two I have out on the table at the moment, I'll get some more out. Here's the Flytanium Arcade and the CJRB Large Pyrite. Give me a sec here. Everything's folded up in the Naps Burrito, which is totally unrelated to this video, but has actually been really nice. This is where I keep a lot of my size comparison stuff, and I had to move it for another upload. Let's put it up against the Ritter Hogue custom scales. You guys know where to find those, down in the description under Original Goat. AD10. What else we got here? Let's do the Benchmade Bug Out. Let's do maybe the Spyderco Para 3. Maybe let's do the Demco AD 20.5. That's a good one there. Very similar to the AD 20.5. And how about like the Hogue Deca? Looking good. Okay. Let's weigh them. And of course, wouldn't you know it? The thing that's missing, that's always missing, it's behind me, is the scale. God bless it. This scale will be the death of me. Okay. It's tomorrow's news headlines. Obscure YouTuber killed by common kitchen weight scale. With no context. The Ferrum Forge, the CJRB Ferrum Forge, coming in at 3.5 ounces. And the S90V Shiny Boy here coming in at 3.5 ounces. Are they both the same? What? Okay, interesting. This just feels like such a, a substantially larger knife. Let's measure them, because I am almost certain that they're not enormously different, but different enough in the overall length. So this guy here, overall length. This is not a review, just an unboxing, first impressions. Not even 7.5 inches, actually, 7.35 with a 3.25 inch blade, 3-inch cutting edge. And then the CJRB Ferrum Forge. This is cool. I just know that that's going to be... Anytime Ferrum Forge does anything with anyone, even if it's like the same... It's essentially the same knife or just slight variations of the same knife over and over again, people just go nuts for it. And that's okay, because it's a good profile. 7 inches on this guy. Cutting edge... I'm sorry, let's do blade length first. 3 1/8. Cutting edge is 2.65 for the cutting edge. Okay, probably going to be a bit before you see these guys again. If you're wanting to wait until you get my review, but both of them feel really good right off the bat. It's that time of year where after you see me unbox something, sometimes it takes a bit to get the review up, because I have about 40 videos on the back burner waiting to go up and be published. And so I do 2 a day, so it takes a bit to get through this holiday season stuff. But yeah, we'll get there at some point. Thanks again to CJRB and Artisan Cutlery for sending these in for me to take a look at. Links for these and other knives from this brand down in the description. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.